Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing a Web 2.0 tool called Symbaloo. I know in my lesson plan I mentioned about using Google Presentation, but I decided to switch to eMaze. I apologize for the inconvenience. Before we start, let me explain what this product helps you do. As a teacher, it's important to save links, videos, and images that you find on the open web for your classroom. This tool helps you save all these things into one spot. These spots are actually called web mixes, which I'll discuss later in the workshop. Through this platform, users can share their web mixes with anyone. Many teachers use this tool in their classrooms to help their students with research as well. The creators recently developed a Symbaloo EDU, which has very similar attributes as the original Symbaloo. For today, I'm just going to focus on the basic Symbaloo for this workshop, so let's get started. It's always important to know your goals before starting. The 3 goals of this lesson are knowing the basics of Symbaloo, understanding the terminology, and creating and designing your own Symbaloo web mixes. While I'm showing you this tool, remember the goals that we all want to achieve. At the end of this workshop, you'll be asked to create your own web mix to accommodate your students in your class. There will be a rubric in which you will follow. This culminating project will piece all the things you learned throughout this workshop. After creating this project, your peers are going to provide you with constructive feedback. Then you will share your web mix with me. So now it's time to take you through Symbaloo. First thing is to open up a web browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, whichever one you feel comfortable using. Then you're going to type in www.symbaloo.com.